Hi and welcome to Belgian Decals Restorations. I'm Johan and this is the first new video of 2025. So I would like to wish every one of my subscribers and viewers a happy new year. On the turntable we have the Porsche 924, here in a 1/60 scale model by Majorette. It was first issued in 1978 in metallic grey. From 1980 on the model was issued in a variety of different colors including blue, green, orange and red. Like the Saviem tanker, it was also issued in the Dallas range for the US market, which consisted of models based on the popular TV series. The Porsche 924 was introduced in 1975 as a more affordable model next to the Porsche 911 and was aimed at more mainstream customers who couldn't afford a high-end sports car. Its sales delivered and gave the ailing Porsche brand the boost it needed to survive. In other words, it is thanks to this model that Porsche still exists today. Apart from the flaking paint, the scratched windows and the rust staining on the wheels, this model is in rather acceptable condition, especially when you consider how hard it is to find a play-worn specimen with its very fragile plastic tailgate still intact. Since this model was never issued in white, I will give it a nice white coat, some custom wheels and of course some nice detailing. So let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover. The Porsche 924 was the brand's attempt at reaching out to more mainstream customers who didn't have cash to spend on expensive race cars like the Porsche 911. It was also that model that saved Porsche. This play-worn Majorette model of the Porsche 924 is a good candidate for custom restoration. You can't really make this car look bad. I decided to go all white on this model, painting the body, bottom plate and the front bumper. The blue Porsche trim decal and the black rims provide a striking contrast. Unfortunately, there's no way to make these yellow windows clear. Some of these models, however, were made with clear windows and tailgate, so maybe I'll make a follow-up video in the future when I find one. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.